Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a live wallpaper just like this. So first thing what you're going to do, I'm just going to pause the video real quick and do something. Okay guys, I'm back. I just logged off the thing. So now what you're going to do is go into Google. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is go to lively wallpaper over here. So you click the first link. Oh, that's cool. Did not notice that. So you go to downloads and you go to installer, then you start installing. So right after the video, I'm gonna delete this one because I already have mine. My other one, as you saw. So you're gonna open it. You're gonna close out of this. You're gonna click install anyway. At least that's what mine says. So after that, you want to let me do something real quick. Yeah, I think I already have. Yeah, I have it. So technically speaking, I can't download the thing with you. So you're gonna have to click I agree, install, next, finish. And after that, you open it like this. I already downloaded some other things from another app where I downloaded stuff. So if I even close it, guess what? It's not opening right now. But if I did that, look, it's just very nice. I'm gonna open it. Then see, I'm gonna go to Miles Morales from Spider-Man. Look at that. I downloaded a lot. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial in this video how to do that too. If you already have this, that's fine with me. My favorite one, it's not everything is my favorite, but I like red, so I downloaded this, and I called it this live red cool. And the author was me, but I did not create that thing, so yeah. The author of when I put it in. So if I just go here in the app, something that is something customizable. I think that's the only customizable thing, I guess. Yeah, this is customizable. So I'm going to customize it. Wave. Maybe I would go to red. I like red. Rainbow speed. Actually, rainbow. That. Now what I'm gonna do, ribbon. Bam, it was usually blue, but now, bam, it's rainbow. Okay, look at this. So that is it for the video. I think we might do some stuff. Maybe. You can't really hear anything like last time when I was playing the X-Red mod. You couldn't hear anything because I downloaded the free version of the thing I'm using right now. And look at this one. It's loading. Okay, see, It's normal. No, it's not. I was about to start the video like this. But if I do this and move it a little bit, bam, 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 bam. Look at this. It's actually Fluids V2. Also, remind me to make that FNAF VR, okay? Please. But, yeah. And also, I might be making a Beat Saber or Rec Room video. I don't know. But, yeah. I don't know why I'm keep on saying yeah. But, it's really cool. And, look at this one. It's, from Naruto. Yeah, Naruto. Look at that. That's cool. Ah, flashing lights. But I also got Lofi Girl. Yeah, it's just the thing with Lofi Girl. Okay, I am going to put on I don't freaking wow. Customize. What does very low do? 32. Damn. Now I'm going to go to fluids and ew. That looks terrible. Oh my god. Look at this. I'm not doing anything. Is it reacting to freaking... Hold up. Let me customize this real quick. Sorry for the mini cuts, but look how cool this is. I changed it to the max. I'm gonna change everything to the max, actually. Max. So I'm going to customize. That's good. Pressure. Bam. That looks so cool. Varsity. Yeah. Splat radius. Whoa. Heck yeah. That looks so cool. This is my own. Whoa. That is cool. Oh, there's more. More settings. Shading color for bloom. Bloom? Oh my god. Dude, this is just high Minecraft shaders. Sun ray rate? Heck yeah. Background color? You know what? Background color. Red, okay. Bams. That looks so realistic. It's like, okay, so I'm gonna change this to this one. Can you freaking load? Thank you. Okay, hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment live or live. If you like the video too. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let's go.